Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. This is Bijon. Today I'm going to show you the best easiest way to draw anything in Procreate. So let's get started. So I have already like a sketch. It's simple sketch. I have to use this kind of brushes, and I'm going to use the Baskerville brush first, and I'm going to use black color. Obviously it's a different layer, so you have to draw these things you have to just cover it up after according to your drawing, however you're doing. This is the only easiest way for any beginners in Procreate, how to who wants to know how to draw in Procreate, how to paint in Procreate. This is the best video for them. So do it like that way which I'm doing. So you have to do it this, you have to just border it up, and it's totally black color I'm using. Okay, so you have to do in one layer first you have to sketch it, and a different layer 2 you have to just fill it up, border it, and drag the color. You know what to do. So let me do it first. So I have already filled up the black color in layer 2. I'm going to create, and make sure you have to deselect the layer 1, which is a sketch. So I have to just draw a new layer for the background. Underneath the layer 2 I just drag this color. You have to use this color, so easy. This is look good. I'm going to use soft brush. I'm going to use maximum size 40 to 50%. You can just use this black color. Either you can use the black or it's dark blue, you can use it. You have to just do it like this way. Like on the top portion you have to, not proper black, you have to just do it like that way. And make sure you have to do it in a single layer. I'm doing it in like a layer 3, which is a background color. You have to just change it like this way, and I have to just fill up like that way with the help of soft brush. So I'm going to change the color. I'm going to use this color, red. It's not red, it's pink red it's called. Okay, so I have to do it like this way, and this is the way, like both side. I'm going to use a little bit more dark the top portion. Now I'm going to use a red color, proper red. I have to do it this one so it look good. Still, like this painting, like it's the easiest way. As I told you, it's for beginner who want to try to learn something in Procreate. They for this video, this is the best tutorial ever. So I hope you can check it out. So I'm going to use a different color, a little bit darker on bottom side as well. Just make sure you have to just do it this like a canvas feel good. I'm going to use the black color. I have to just fill up the bottom side as well of the canvas. So you have to do it like that way. I'm going to use a different clay brush, which is, you can find it out through Elements, I believe, and you have to do it, use this color, and you have to do it like that on the top portion. And you can just deselect the color, this color. You can use the black color according to you, which is prefer, which is look good in your on your eyes. Like you can do it like that way, that will be great. So you have to fill up like this way. I have already completed. So it still look good, but still I want to do something more in this painting, which is look prominent and which is look too good. So I'm going to use Taralia brush. You know what's the what you can do through Taralia, and from organic rainforest brush you can do a tree that's easier. So I'm going to use a black color, and I have to just fill up the bottom section of some of the trees which is look good. Then I have to use it, I have to fill up like this way. So you have to do it like this way, don't need to do anything. This is, as I told you, this is the only easiest way, and it's time, it's not taking that much of time. Within 5 to 10 minutes you can draw this kind of painting, anything you can draw. So let me just fill up this one. So I'm going to use a different layer above the layer 3. I'm going to use this color, you can use the studio pen for the tree branch. A few of the tree branch I'm going to just draw, which tree branch which is look good, I'm going to use it. Few of them I have to just create it from a lower portion only. I don't do so much, but few of them you can do it. someone like a little bit slim, someone's a little bit big, so you can do it like that way according to you how it's look. Like if you like that I need to draw something more tree branch in the bottom side, you can do it like that way. I'm just like roughly going to do it like which is look good for you guys. Like I'm going to teach you like how you can draw easily in Procreate. So this is the best way to draw. So like I have already drawn the tree branch. I'm just drop down the opacity, which is look prominent as I told you. So I'm going to use a little bit dark color, and I'm going to use airbrushing. Just tap it from the bottom side and it not that one. Okay, do it like this way so it will look too good. So I hope still till now the painting is look good, but I need you to do more creation, so which is look prominent and which is look too good. So that's why I'm saying this is the way you can draw. Like a digital arts is insane, you can do it. So I'm going to use this color, few of them tiled here, just few taps, so which is bottom tree section. It's look real, like it's almost real, so you can use it. Otherwise I'm going to use different color as well. I can use the little bit this color, yeah, that will be look good because the bottom section color background color I'm using this, so this color it's too good. I'm going to use this color. So few taps like a bottom, but don't need to do it lower portion because lower portion is a darker portion, you don't need to do it. But you can do it the opacity. Make sure you have to do drop down the opacity. Don't make the opacity 100% or 80%. Try to make it 10 or below 10. That will be great, that will look prominent and that will look too good. If you can check my bottom section, now it's look too good. So you can use few of them, few taps here as well if you like it, or else if you like to tap these things, and if you can do it, or else leave it. That's not necessary. So I'm going to create another layer and I'm going to do something cool now. I'm going to use studio pen. Have to just draw something now. I hope you like it. I hope you already understood that what I'm trying to draw. You have to just make a circle, tap it from the different finger and just make it. Go to the adjustment, bloom it. So I hope you can check it. It's look nice, it's look more now. So I have to do the like a closest things. Tile your brush, just make it a different color, which is you have to just few taps on the bottom, so which is look little bit more crazy. And I hope I'm almost done with this painting. So this is the only easiest, within 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. If you just do keep patience and do it as I told you, follow the step by step. You can do it, anyone can do it, either you are artist or you're not, that doesn't matter. You can do it easily, this kind of painting. This is the easiest way to draw anything in Procreate. I hope the painting is look too good. So you can draw it anywhere. If you want to draw anything else regarding according to this painting, you can do it. I'm just going to do a few things. So I'm almost, as I told you, I'm almost done with this painting. So please do let me know how is it in the comment section, and share your artwork as well. Mention my channel name and share your feedback as well. And one more time, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you my next video. I hope this is good for you, and do let me know in the comment section what video I have to draw next time, what video I have to make it, and what I have to draw next time. So I would like to hear from you what I have to draw. So I will, according to your feedback, according to your comments, I would like to do something for you. So I have to just draw a few of them, but opacity, no, that's not good. But I'm going to do it something which is the opposite, a little bit low. A few of them, a lamp post, and just do it like this way, so it is look too good now. I hope you can see so everything is done. Few of not so much, two of them I have to do it. Yeah, this is good now, two of them. And I'm going to use the basket and the weight, the wire things, two of them, three. Two of them here, two of them here, and two of them underneath this. This is good. Now it's look too good. Oh my god. Okay, this is good now. Okay, this is good now. Okay, so I'm completed with the. Thank you so much once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.